Trigonometry math solution. Trigonometry math solution. We have to analyze cot theta minus tan theta. Cot theta minus tan theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to tan theta by sin theta by cos theta. Minus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta and cos theta as same. Sin theta cos theta. We have to sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta. Cos theta, I feel like tan theta. Tan theta. Okay. Sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, I have to divide sin theta. Then only cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos theta. Minus. Okay, minus. And then minus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta. Remains sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin theta. Cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. This is theory. Cos theta. There is sin theta cos theta. We have to control multiple two denominator. 2 cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos, 2 sin theta into cos theta sin theta. So 2 there, that 2 there. 2 sin theta cos theta sin theta. Cos theta by cos theta by sin theta cot theta. I mean cos x, cot x is cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x means cos theta sin theta cos theta 2 cot theta. As is proved. I am analyzing this theory further. You have to remain. I am just watch this and study properly and realize this. Cot theta is cos theta sin theta. Tan theta sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta LCM. LCM sin theta cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta by divided by cos sin theta. So cos theta remaining. Cos theta square minus sin square theta. Cos theta sin theta 2 as a sin theta cos theta. After maintain model 2 to upper level and lower level, I mean 9 centimeter, then 2 cos 12 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta sin 12 theta. Cos theta sin theta to cos 12 theta. Please subscribe me all of you, progressive and realize this analysis. Please watch this and realize this and study properly. Please keenly observe and realize this. Keenly observe and realize it. Thank you very much. Progressive and please subscribe me. Just keep in touch with me.